indirect mode, you're going to turn the instrument over here. When you turn it over here, the instrument will say some angle of like H is equal to 40 degrees.
He's putting this on YouTube.
I know. H is equal to 40 degrees. So now you have this in direct mode. You're going to do set horizontal, and you're going to hold that angle. So 40 degrees is now held on the machine. Once you hold it on the machine, you're going to flip it over into reverse mode, turn and look at this point. So now the angle that reads at this point is now H is equal to 40 degrees.
Does it matter which way we turn it? Like, do you want us to go clockwise?
Yeah, you always go clockwise.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so now 40 degrees reads here, so you press the distance button here, and you look over here. Now this is going to read 80 degrees. So that's how you get that. And then when we do the exterior angle, you start here. So now your H is equal to 0 here, and you shoot this, you get your distance, whatever, and then you go all the way around in direct mode, and you get some angle of like 310 degrees. So you get that. Now you hold here. Once you hold there, looking at this, you flip it over, and you're going to turn all the way around. Look at this, and so this angle is now going to say it's 310 on it. So that says 310. The highest the machine goes is 360. So once you go your 50 degrees, it's going to start over at 0. So it's going to be that plus
360. Or
no, it'll be, so it's 310, it's 360 minus 310, which is equal to 50 degrees. So it's going to be 50 degrees plus the angle you see on the machine. So you're going to turn it around, and it's actually only going to say like 260.
No, it's like 270 sometimes.
Well, but it'll say, I'm just saying for this example, it'll say 260. And so you add the 50 degrees to that, and you get the 310. And so it's going to be the,
hang on, that shouldn't be the reverse. The reverse should be doubled.
no, that's what I'm saying, that instrument only reads up to.
Yeah, but when you said you were adding them up, you said 260 plus. You just said 260 plus 50.
Yeah,
And that should
260.
That should get you 310, but.
Yeah, which is, it's going to give you the same angle again, because now it's 260 is what it reads on the instrument.
Correct.
Yeah, but the machine only reads to 360 degrees.
Yeah.
Here's your 360 degree line. So if it's only reading to that, then it's when it comes around to here, it's gonna have to go. So it starts over at 0 right here, and so if it reads 260, it's reading 260 from here, and so you have to add this 50 into it to get the actual exterior angle.
When,
So it'll be,
but that's reverse. When did you not do 260 plus 360?
And then divide by 2.
and then divide by 2.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
You could do that. Or
So it'll be 260 plus 360 over 2, and that will give you the
Okay.
angle that's at.
I'd give you
And with
310.
interior,
310,
and with interior, it's the same way. You just don't add 360. You just divide by 2, and that'll give it to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
If it's interior, you have whatever this is, the 47 degrees the first time in direct mode, and then you get 94 degrees the second time. So in reverse mode,
94 divided by 2.
direct is equal to 47 degrees. Reverse, it's equal to 94 degrees. So if you take that, divide by 2, you should get 47 degrees.
Now it'll be asking like. Usually when you have these, it'll ask. Say you ask for like the distance and then the horizontal angles. Are you gonna ask for the zenith? Like. If
Yeah,
you,
I mean, so you could be.
now with zenith, you just record whatever on there.
Yeah, you just record whatever's on there, and for your zenith in reverse mode is going to be like, because you're looking like this.
Yeah.
here,
And
You're flipping it all the way over 180 degrees. So it's going to be that minus 180 for your zenith, then in reverse mode.
In reverse mode, it's gonna be.
In direct, it's gonna be,
It's gonna be whatever, it's gonna be whatever it reads minus 180?
yeah,
Okay.
in direct mode, it's gonna be something close to 90 degrees, cause it's coming straight down. But when you flip it over,
It's adding 180
it's
to it.
adding 180
Yeah.
to it, so.
Okay.
I didn't catch why you went from 310 to 260 because of the 50 degrees.
Yeah, cause what it's doing,
Is it in?
our instrument only reads to 360 degrees, or we have it set up to only read to 360 degrees. So when it hits 360, when you set up here, when you're looking here and you're going around for your exterior angle in reverse mode,